New Paltz's main iconic sort of feature is the ridge. The ridge was formed because of the Schwangan conglomerate, which is a type of rock composed mainly of quartz. And quartz is a really tough mineral, and not a lot of things break quartz. So that's the reason that we have the ridge, because that rock was so strong and tough and formed the cliffs that we see, and it's such a beautiful view. And we even see that from SUNY New Paltz. On the top of the ridge, you can see 6 states at once on a very clear day.
The rocks that we have are about, well, they're of the 2 different ages, the Ordovician and the Silurian. And those rocks range from somewhere around, we'll say a nice number, about 450 million years ago. All right? And at that time, to our east was a huge mountain range, like Himalayan in size mountain range. And that's where the sediments were coming from, and they were carried through rivers and then deposited in our area. If we look at like a geologic map in New York, we have all these rocks that are the same age out in western New York, but we don't know where the gunk, the Schwangan strata fits into a framework of time. If you're up on the ridge, say at like the Smiley Tower there, the big tower that you can see, and you look east, you see in the distance this ridge of hills and mountains. And that's the stumps of those Acadian mountains that are, you know, that were once thousands of meters tall.
Sunny, people are happier and they spend more time here. It's the reason that the market is here. You know, you see things that grow from the land, you see the vegetables, you see bees that help pollinate the flowers. It's a sense of community that is formed when this happens, and I love to see that people expect it and that they wait for it and that they enjoy the heck out of it.
It's a small mom and pop farm run by Joe and Rhonda O'Brien. They're both farmers. It's 32 acres. We have a nice amount of land, 3 greenhouses. Joe and Rhonda have a really good understanding of the need for food. You know, so they always donate to any charities that need votes. They're also very privy to the fact that we sell everything for $150. You know, all of our fruits and vegetables, because we understand the state of college students. When your hands are in the soil, that's how you understand what's really happening in the world.
I wanted to come outside and check out the farmer's market, and I got to buy this beautiful lettuce. I really love nature. I love to hike. I love to swim, kayak, go boating.
I'm originally from Brooklyn, and I don't know, I could care less about nature. I was in city mode, and then I came up here and I was like, oh, it's actually really beautiful. We like to go to the mountains a lot, in Minnewaska, High Falls for swimming.
Being from upstate, I grew up going on hikes every weekend with my family, so I knew I wanted to keep that kind of tie in with my life as I'm going on to college. So I was like, wow, New Paltz is beautiful and the people are really nice, and I knew that I could never really be in a city area, especially studying geology. It's right here at our fingertips, and we really take advantage of that here. Honestly, since I could walk, my parents just taught us the leave no trace policy, and to really appreciate nature, and that's why you should want to act to conserve it.